You don't need a fall to lose your health. Sitting too much can quietly weaken your body. In just a few weeks, seniors can lose up to 10% of brain sharpness with stiffer joints and weaker muscles creeping in. Most doctors don't warn you, but we will. Today, you'll learn what's really happening inside and how to fix it with simple daily movements. If you care about staying strong and independent, hit that subscribe button, comment, I'm in, and let's keep your body vibrant. How sitting affects your brain and what you can do about it. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you're there? Or felt your mind get foggy after sitting through a long TV show? It's not just age, it's sitting too much. For us seniors, staying active isn't just about senior fitness, it's about keeping our mind sharp for healthy aging. Today, I'll show you how sitting hurts your brain health, the signs to watch for, and 3 easy moves for memory improvement. No gym needed, just a chair and a few minutes. Let's keep your brain young and strong with active seniors living. Sitting for hours slows blood flow, starving your brain of oxygen and energy. This hurts your memory and focus. A 2018 UCLA study found that prolonged sitting thins brain areas critical for memory, potentially reducing your mental sharpness, similar to the effects of aging. Active seniors who move daily stay sharper, while those who sit struggle with recall. Sitting isn't just a habit, it's stealing your mental clarity. But don't worry. With senior fitness, you can fight back. Let's check the warning signs and simple ways to boost your brain health starting today. Ever feel a fog in your head or forget a friend's name? Maybe you lose focus in conversations or feel too tired to read. These aren't just aging, they're signs your brain needs movement for healthy aging. Sitting too long cuts the stimulation your brain craves, leading to brain fog and forgetfulness. For active seniors, these are wake up calls. The good news? You can reverse these signs with easy moves that spark memory improvement. Let's explore 3 simple ways to wake up your mind and keep it vibrant every day. You don't need fancy tools to boost brain health. Try these 3 easy moves. 1. Walk and talk. Stand and pace gently during phone calls. This sends blood to your brain, sharpening focus. Try it today for senior fitness. 2. Chair marches. While seated, lift your knees like marching 10 times every hour. Set a timer. This quick move wakes your brain and boosts memory improvement. Comment if you feel more alert after trying it. 3. Brainwalks. Take a 5-minute stroll outside, look at trees, or chat with a neighbor. This sparks your hippocampus, the memory center. It's perfect for active seniors. These take just minutes and fit any senior's day. Keep your mind sharp with healthy aging. Your brain doesn't need pills, it needs movement. Just a few minutes of senior fitness daily keeps you sharp and young. Join our 7-day, number 3-minute Senior Strong Challenge. Try these moves and comment, I'm in. Subscribe for more brain health tips and share to stay active seniors. Sitting too much? Here's what it's really doing to your heart and how to stop it. Have you ever told yourself, I'm eating healthy, I take my meds, and I check my blood pressure, so I must be doing fine? That might be true until you sit down for hours and don't move. What most people don't realize is that sitting for long periods may silently damage your heart, even if you're doing everything else right. This hidden danger is especially real for adults over 60, and here's why. Sitting slows down blood flow, and that's a big problem. When we sit still for too long, watching TV, reading, or just relaxing, our circulation slows down. Blood tends to pool in the legs, and your heart has to work harder just to keep things moving. Over time, this can lead to higher blood pressure, increased cholesterol levels, and even blood clots. A 2024 study from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that sitting more than 10.6 hours a day increases the risk of heart disease, even in those who exercise regularly. Why? Because the damage comes from sitting itself, not just from the lack of exercise, but from the mechanical impact of immobility on the cardiovascular system. If you're managing conditions like high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, or high LDL cholesterol, this matters even more. Long periods of sitting could undo the benefits of your medications and diet without you even realizing it. Signs: your heart needs you to move. Here are a few subtle signs your heart may be struggling with a sedentary routine. Mild swelling in your feet or ankles, feeling short of breath after light movement, faster heartbeat when standing up, fatigue that doesn't go away with sleep. These aren't just signs of aging, they could be your body's way of saying, please get up, I need help. What you can do. Even if you're over 60, the good news: you don't need intense workouts or fancy gym memberships to protect your heart. Just a few simple heart healthy habits throughout your day can make a powerful difference. 1. Mini cardio bursts, 1 to 2 minutes every hour. Try gentle marching in place, stepping side to side, or raising your arms overhead while seated. These mini movements improve circulation, lower inflammation, and activate your cardiovascular system without overexertion. 2. Hydration walks. Pair your water intake with movement. Every time you refill your glass, take 15 to 30 steps around the house. This creates a sustainable, low impact routine that supports healthy aging and cholesterol management. 3. Seated arm raises. Sit tall, breathe deeply, and slowly raise your arms overhead 10 to 15 times. This motion stimulates blood flow and engages your upper body without putting strain on your joints. Perfect for senior wellness and maintaining flexibility. Your heart doesn't need a miracle pill, it needs movement. Every time you stand up, take a step, or stretch your arms, you're supporting better blood flow, lowering your stroke risk, and helping your heart stay strong for years to come. The next time you reach for the remote or scroll on your phone, pause. Take just 1 minute to move. Your future self will thank you. Want to learn simple daily habits that keep your joints strong too? Stay with us. The next section will show how sitting silently damages your hips, knees, and spine, and what you can do to reverse it from home. Are your joints rusting? What sitting too much really does to your bones. If you've noticed your knees cracking, your hips feeling stiff, or your back aching just from getting off the couch, don't blame age just yet. The truth is, your joints might be rusting. Just like a car left parked too long, your body can stiffen, tighten, and start falling apart when you stop moving. Sitting attacks your joint health from the inside out. Our joints, knees, hips, spine, and even shoulders depend on movement to stay healthy. When you sit for hours every day, your joints lose natural lubrication. The cartilage wears down and inflammation begins to rise. Over time, this leads to stiffness and pain in the knees and hips, tight lower back and poor posture, reduced mobility and balance issues. Think of it this way: movement acts like oil in your joints. The more you move, the more fluid circulates to cushion and protect your bones. The less you move, the drier and more brittle your joints become. Don't ignore these early signs. Many seniors ignore the warning signs until it's too late. But here's what to watch for: struggling to stand up after sitting, achy hips when walking short distances, a stiff spine when trying to reach overhead, feeling off balance or unsteady while moving. These aren't just minor aches. They are signals that your joints are begging you to move. Simple movements that lubricate your joints. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment to protect your joints. In fact, some of the best natural pain relief and mobility therapy begins right in your living room. 1. The joint reset 90 seconds every hour. Every hour, set a timer and do. Marching in place, seated or standing. Gentle knee extensions, shoulder rolls, and arm circles. Hips tilts, just shift your weight side to side in the chair. These small movements improve joint fluid circulation, reduce inflammation, and help preserve flexibility. Second wall, sit challenge, 10 seconds per day. Stand with your back against the wall and gently lower into a sitting position for just 10 seconds. This strengthens the muscles that support your knees and hips without putting pressure directly on your joints. You can increase time gradually. Think of it as at-home physical therapy for healthy aging. Third, foot to floor rule. Make a rule: once every hour, both feet must touch the floor. Stand up, stretch, take 20 steps, and sit back down. This tiny habit can reverse stiffness, support posture correction, and keep your spine aligned. Your joints don't need intensity, they need consistency. Here's the truth: your joints don't need a boot camp. They need gentle, regular care. Every time you stretch, shift your weight, or take a step, you're sending healing signals through your body. Motion is lotion for your joints. So if you want natural arthritis relief, better balance, and long-term independence, start small. Move a little. Move often. Your joints and your future will thank you. The truth is, movement is medicine, especially as we age. Even small steps each day can protect your brain, heart, and joints for years to come. So start now. Stand, stretch, walk a little. Your body will thank you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips to stay strong, sharp, and independent. You're not too old to take back your health. One move at a time.